Hey guys, welcome to Arivo Pro. So today through this video we are going to have a look at how to take up subjective exams on the Arivo Pro website or the app. Alright, so once you reach the home page, sign in with your account. Alright, and then enter your mail address. Once you sign in, this is the home page that you will be getting. Alright, then go for click on my enrollments. And once you reach my enrollments, you can see the list of courses and test series available for you to take up. Alright, click on CA Foundation test series for December 2020. So once you click on the test series, you can see the list of tests available to you in the right side. Okay, the different subjects and all that. So I want to take up tests from business correspondence and reporting. All right, and I'm going to take a test from chapter 5 note making. All right. So once I click on that, you'll be getting this one. You will be getting take test option instead of continue. All right, and so click on continue or take test, whichever the option is available. If you are resuming a previous test, you will be getting continue option. If you are starting a fresh test, you will be getting a take test option. All right. So mostly, if you are starting from a fresh attempt, you will be getting a take test option. All right. And once you click on take test, you will be getting a list of general instructions put up to you. Go through the instructions thoroughly and then give start test to initiate the test. Alright, so once you've started the test, you can see there's a number of questions available to you on the right side. That is 12 questions are there. And towards the bottom right corner, you can see the answered questions would be marked in green. The not answered questions would be marked in red. The marked one, but for review answers, would be in purple. The ones you've not visited would be blank. And the ones you've answered and marked for review would be purple with a small green dot on it. Alright, so read the following notes and summarize appropriately is a question given. Alright, we are in the 11th question as of now. Alright, now you have two options to write this test. Okay, now one can be either you can type your answer. See, the option like the blank space is put up. You can type your answers for the question right there itself. All right, or you can upload. You have another option that is to upload an attachment. So just in case if you're not comfortable typing the answers, you can write your answers in an empty sheet or in a book and click pictures of that, convert them into a PDF file, and then upload the attachment to in the given option here. All right, if you click upload attachment, you can access whichever like say for example you put it up in desktop, and you can select a file from here and then upload it. All right, so we have given you both the options. You can either type it or upload the attachment for you guys. Now to move to the next question, you have the option called next question, next here. So when you click on next, you can move to the next question. Do not click on submit unless and until you're done with your exam. All right. Once you're done with your exam, only then click on submit. Once you click on submit, you get another option, pop-up window saying a confirmation screen whether you are sure that you want to submit the answer. Once you click submit, you get another screen in which you have the summary of the test you have taken up. All right. So you can see the answered questions are 1, skipped or unattempted are 7, and marked for review are 5. You have an option called back to test, so that through this option you can go back to test and complete the questions which you've skipped or unattempted. And if you're sure that you're done with your test, you can click on submit, and then you'll be getting this page, that is evaluation pending. So you will be notified through your mail once your paper is evaluated. It will take approximately 3 days, three working days for the papers to be evaluated. And once you get your results, you will be notified through your mail. All right, guys. So this is how you take up a test series on examination. So I will just show you a screenshot of how your like results would be shown up. All right, through this article. Um, yep. Yeah, so this is how your result would be shown. All right, so you can see your evaluation pattern. Once your paper is evaluated, you can see your scores, like your performance, And then once you get your results, you can check your scores, you can check your section analysis, you can check how was your performance, you can check where you stand and the topic report, difficult analysis, etc. So we will be giving you a complete picture of the way you have taken up the test and the things you like, the different qualities from where you can improve, like the different criterias where you can improve yourself. So the complete information will be put up. We also have put up an article regarding the same, like how to take up subjective exams on Arivo Pro. So if you have further doubts, you can go through the article itself. We have put step-by-step procedures with clear-cut instructions. So once you follow that, you can easily you can easily understand how to take up tests. So that's how you take up tests on Arivo Pro app for subjective exams, guys. Thank you.